Hey guys, check this out. Want to see the inside? Take my shoes off. TV, big slide, couch, dinette, kitchen, fridge, pantry. Back here we got a bed that turns into a couch. Bunk 1, bunk 2, bunk 3, bunk 4, wardrobe, outdoor bathroom, outdoor access. Back through the living area. And we got 2 doors here. Bathroom. Master bedroom. Need a bigger mattress, but it's a comfy one at least. We have a king size, but it's 10 inches too big to fit in there. And then we got a big old closet. Lots of storage. Laundry prep. 6 drawer dresser. And come back out. And down the stairs. That is the inside of our new trailer. We got to start moving stuff in here and putting other stuff in storage, and it's exciting, crazy.